Hello and welcome to this lesson on standard form conversions. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to recognize how decimal movement links to positive and negative powers of 10, convert between ordinary numbers and standard form with confidence, understand the structure of numbers written in standard form. Let's get started. Sometimes numbers are unbelievably huge, like 3 billion. Sometimes they are unbelievably tiny, like 0.000045. Standard form is a neat way to write these numbers so they're easier to read, compare, and calculate with. In standard form, we write a number like this, a times 10 to the power n, where a is at least 1, but less than 10. And n is the power of 10. N must be a whole number. If the original number is big, n will be positive. If the original number is small, n will be negative. Now let's use a simple 3-step method. Step 1, slide the decimal point until the number is between 1 and 10. Step 2, count the moves. Count how many places the decimal traveled. Step 3, attach the power of 10. If you move the decimal to the left, the power is positive. If you move the decimal to the right, the power is negative. So the direction tells you the sign, and the number of moves tells you the value of n. Now, let's dive into some exam-style practice question. You can pause the video and try yourself. Now let's look at this question carefully. Write 0.0000158 in standard form. This question is worth 3 marks. First, we slide the decimal point to make a number between 1 and 10. So 0.0000158 becomes 1.58. This earns 1 mark. Next, we count how many places the decimal point moved. We moved it 5 places to the right, so n equals -5. This earns 1 mark. Now, we write the number in standard form. 1.58 multiplied by 10 to the power of -5. This earns 1 mark. So the final answer is 1.58 multiplied by 10 to the power of -5. Remember, if the decimal point moves to the right, the power is negative. Now let's look at this question carefully. A city has a population of 4,200,000 people. We are asked to write this number in standard form. This question is worth 3 marks. First, we slide the decimal point to make a number between 1 and 10. So 4,200,000 becomes 4.2. This earns 1 mark. Next, we count how many places the decimal point moved. We moved it 6 places to the left, so n equals 6. This earns 1 mark. Now we write the number in standard form. 4.2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. This earns 1 mark. So the final answer is 4.2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. Remember, if the decimal point moves to the left, the power is positive. And that's how you write big or small numbers into standard form.